Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into William Hill, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for William Hill in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it and you'll be redirected to the official login page, official page of William Hill, where you can see login and join option at top right corner. You just simply need to click on login and you will be able to see login section where it is asking us for our username and our password. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credential is completed, click to login and you will be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forget your login details and complete the formalities and you will be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into William Hill, and if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.